guys, I am back once again at the stand of Rayhaan. We are in Beauty World Dubai 2024 and let's visit the stand of Rayhaan. And I have already reviewed and I have already covered the launch event of the two new fragrances, Lion and Tiger. So once again, I'm here at their stand, and if you are living in Dubai or if you are visiting Beauty World Dubai 2024, you must visit. You should not miss this opportunity to test their other fragrances and to check their newly launched fragrances, Lion and Tiger. So let's go inside and I'm trying to tell you that what else they have to offer. So first of all, at the entrance of the stand, we have Lion and Tiger. The stand is crowded. You can see a lot of people are here. They are showing their interest because the products are very good. And now let's go inside the stand. And the first thing what I want to show you is this beauty, Rayhaan Elixir. This fragrance is with me from a long time, but I haven't reviewed it because this fragrance was not launched properly in India and Pakistan. But now I think the stock is already there. The stock is reached in Pakistan and India. So next week I'm going to cover this fragrance. So I'm going to review this perfume in the next week. And this is one of the best alternative in the market for JPG Lemon Elixir. So all of you guys who love that spicy vanilla kind of scent, you're going to love it. Just stay tuned on my channel for the detailed review of Rayhaan Elixir, and definitely we're going to review Lion and Tiger in the next week. So sir, hi, how are you?
Hi.
So as you know, we have already covered the event for
Yes.
Lion and Tiger. So what do you think? How is this event going? Beauty
This
World
event?
Dubai.
It's been going great. Great response.
The launch event was amazing. We were there.
Not
So we already know about that.
Yeah.
So what about
No,
the
so
reactions?
a lot of people saw the influencers, saw the activities that we did on the event.
That's
They
great.
came here
That's
especially to see what the Lion and Tiger were all about, and no one has been disappointed so far.
great. That's great. And as I can see, the stand is full of people.
Yes.
People are looking happy. The reaction is great. So tell me one more thing.
Yes.
What's the reaction of new customers who are coming here and trying both of these fragrances, Lion and Tiger?
So I would feel that because the scents are so different, some people are going for the Lion, some people are going Tiger, but no one over here has left disappointed for sure.
Yeah, definitely, because the quality and blending is amazing. We have already talked a lot about these two fragrances. And how's the reaction of people for the other perfumes?
Others
of
has
Rayhaan?
always been great. We
Yeah,
are
great.
Our customers are coming back, already placed orders. It's just been day one, and you can see it's just already starting.
Yeah,
It's been
because
already a great response.
I think Rayhaan has done an amazing job. They have all kind of perfumes. They have freshies. They have like a woody collection. They have leather collection. So anyone who is going to come in this stand, he will never leave disappointed. He will get something for him at least, right?
Absolutely.
So, but we are very happy for Tiger and Lion, and I can guarantee that both of these perfumes are going to be huge success. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you
Nice
very much
meeting
for
you.
coming.
So let me show you some of their all offerings. First, we will try to explore the fresh side. So in fresh, they have, as you all know, I have already reviewed this perfume. It was Ocean Rush. And for the detailed review, you can visit my channel Scent On to see that how this perfume smells. But what I can tell you here is this is very fresh. This perfume is designed by Mr. Alberto Morias and super fresh. If you like perfumes like cool water and you can say like something easy to wear, then you can rock this one. And the second one we have here is Fresh Wave. For the Fresh Wave, I can tell you that this is a super good alternative of cool water. So if you are someone who like cool water, almost same DNA with better lasting, with a beautiful scent profile, very refined and high quality juice, then you can check Fresh Wave from the house of Rayhaan. And now let's jump to the third one. And the third one here is Pacific. Pacific from the house of Rayhaan. And for the Pacific, this is something similar to Paco Rabanne's Invictus. So if you cannot afford the original one and you want something equally good within your budget, then you should try Pacific Pour Home from the house of Rayhaan. All these three offerings falls in the category of freshies. So if you are a youngster, you're a school going, college going, you're tight on your budget, you want something affordable, and you still want to smell very good, do try all these three and you will be amazed. As I told you earlier, Pacific and Fresh Wave, they are clones of like other two famous fragrances, but Ocean Rush, this is their original creation. You may get some kind of vibes from different perfumes, but this is totally new and a fresh perfume. So do check it out. And now let's move to their leather collection. And as a leather lover, I can tell you that how good these perfumes are. So first of all, let me show you these three perfumes from their leather collection. Let's talk about the Corium first. So for the Corium, this is a beautiful alternative of 1 million. So 1 million from Paco Rabanne. So if you are someone who loves 1 million and you're looking for something affordable, do check it out. Corium from the house of Rayhaan. And now let me show you the other one. And the second one I got here is dark leather. And dark leather is Mimo Irish leather. So if you like leathery fragrances, if you're a fan of Mimo Irish leather, but you cannot afford that one because it's very expensive, you can try this one. Equally good and with super great price. Perfume within your budget. And now let me show you the third one. And the third one here is Cordova. And this one will get some leathery and sweet kind of notes here. And now finally, how can we forget the great Imperia? So for detailed review of this perfume, you can visit my YouTube channel. And this is an excellent alternate of Creed Aventus. So if you are an Aventus fan, do check it out. And you can also check out my review on my channel, Santon, for detailed review. But this one smells so great. Check out my review. And now the second one is Imperia Intense. I have also reviewed this perfume on my channel. You can check it out for the details. But here I can tell you that this is another beautiful scent. So do check it out. And now let me show you the third one, Imperia Legacy. I haven't reviewed this perfume on my channel yet. I'm going to review it soon. See, beautiful musk and powdery notes. So stay tuned to my channel for the detailed review of this perfume. But right now I can tell you that you should test it out. Once again, an amazing offering from the house of Rayhaan. So this was for today from Rayhaan, and tomorrow I'm going to come again. We will cover some more fragrances, and tomorrow I will also try to cover Fragrance World, and we will go to Paris Corner, and I will also try to cover some other brands. Today actually I was very late to the event, so I didn't get enough time to review some other stuff, but definitely tomorrow I'm going to share a lot of more stuff with you guys. So stay tuned, take care, and bye.